I recently did some pruning on my butterfly bushes and some other things, and before I continue with that, I really need to get some of this debris chopped up. So I'm going to put on my safety glasses here and use my Sunjoe chipper, and we're just going to chip it up and drop it back in the garden. Okay, this is my Sunjoe chipper. I saw this on Jim Putnam's channel several years ago and thought it would be the perfect size for my small garden, and it has been perfect. I will just drop the limbs in this hole up top, and if anything gets stuck, you can kind of push the material down with this tool right here, and then it will just release all the clippings into this bag right here, and then I can just go dump it in the garden before I begin to mulch. So let's get started here and see if we can get this pile chipped up. I need to plug this in real quick.